looks amazing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
The cat said, "Welcome home. Now prepare for your first training session."
Bears have a sense of smell 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Clean your car.
You're a lesbian? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Bella. Bella, you want a treat?
Gotta admit, that's a pretty original way to walk the dogs.
Frame can't even contain the energy.
Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah.
What is it? Why are you staring at me?
Someone's really serious about Halloween decor.
Hey, I'm not gonna take your pumpkin.
No one enjoys life quite like a golden retriever. When you're cool,
but also totally awkward. A little misstep.
the cassowary is a rare endangered bird that really does look like a dinosaur.
That is hilarious. It's poking on the wing.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
Before meeting the puppy, the cat clearly needs a complete upstairs safety check.
Hey friends, furry animals are back. Smile and enjoy the ride.
Yeah, he's right under the tire. Oh wait, here he is.
Ida, where are you?
Go spin. The winner will win a lifetime supply of salmon.
Tell us in the comments.
I hope this makes your day, Dad.
Oh, your bread.
Nothing stronger than this kind of love.
Got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage for her.
He's so cute.
Come on. Oh, wow. Pretty girl.
Busted. If these furry fugitives made you laugh, like and subscribe for more. See you.
drama, but this cat chose peace, patience, and a little puppy love. As I was not informed about
each other. Just not during nap time. Looks like the dogs run this training session.
Uh-oh, his body is moving so fast. I hope he doesn't lift off.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
the cat took one look and decided this meeting needed to happen another year.
Chose him.
Oh, yeah.
And this may be the happiest dog I've ever seen. This absolutely one.
Ever get the feeling cats are just weird little roommates?
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Here's something truly beautiful.
She's brave. Those things are basically feathered dinosaurs with a bad attitude.
Looks like the start of a new friendship.
Walking is just a tool to reach the ultimate goal, doggy forehead kisses. Fact: dogs are masters at reading human micro-expressions. And the club's won.
Get him, Simba.
So beautiful! For the love of God, she's so beautiful. We make her look like a guy.
Bumblebee, how cute! Someone tell Officer Nay that those aren't giant orange carrots.
It's okay, Flynn. Oh my God.
The puppy brought pure excitement, but the cat clearly had other plans for today.
Easy.
Easy, girls.
Looks like the start of a new friendship.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
And the club's won.
Hi, Snoopy. You did great. Did you do okay? Yeah, you did a great job.
Flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, are vital pollinators in Australia. And yes, their love for fruit lives up to the name.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
Wake the baby up.
Hey. Slow down.
She's not mad, just politely fixing your
Which cat and puppy meeting melted your heart the most?
Hi, Snoopy. You did great. Did you do okay? Yeah, you did a great job.
Slowly.
For a first birthday, nothing beats a dolphin blowing rings just for you.
Look at him. Maybe he's doing it.
Busted. If these furry fugitives made you laugh, like and subscribe for more. See you. You know it's true love when a dog offers up his favorite toy. The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute, put me back. Not running away, he's just coaching the officers on their cardio.
Who says dogs and cats can't be best friends?
There's something very wrong. My dog's freaking out. I'm pretty sure there's a ghost in my house. Oh my god.
Hey, you enjoying the parrot, officer? You might as well recruit them, put them on your shoulder and that. Yeah, PC depth.
It was Frankie's first trip, and she totally nailed it.
Oh well, it really took the entire precinct to catch one piglet.
Isn't 100% sold on a police department community outreach animal. Sometimes you just got to stick your neck out. So we really thought this option was head and shoulders above some that we've seen from our neighboring agencies.
Eat it!
If pure joy was a dog, it would probably be a golden retriever. Can someone please explain what's happening here?
Then you want some free toes? I said free toes, not free toes.
The crows are dive bombing, baby. Oh my god.
Guess who's not welcome in this yard?
Oh my god.
Slowly. For a first birthday, nothing beats a dolphin blowing rings just for you.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, if you dare.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
Face the Halloween curse.
Got this. Oh yeah. Man, he is not happy. He is not happy. Looks like he's singing.
打他了吗？
哎呦，哈欠儿！哎呦，哎呦，上爪子了，谢谢。
Go spin. The winner will win a lifetime supply of salmon.
Trick or treat. I'm going.
When the suspect's top speed is 45 miles per hour and they don't have a license plate, turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
Animal community, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time for more.
Who's ready to get messy?
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
That might be the laziest happy dog ever.
This one whisker that looks cut. Like it's a little.
Yeah, probably bit it off.
Wake the baby up.
Hey, 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 hey. Slow down.
He's sleeping like tomorrow's somebody else's problem.
This one whisker that looks cut. Like it's a little.
Yeah, probably bit it off.
Looks like someone fell for the trap.
Ники, носочки снимай.
All they're missing is popcorn.
The bear. Behold, an apex predator.
when you and your pet are the perfect team.
Suspect was caught red-handed or black-pawed.
You more than anything. You're just a baby. You're only a baby.
Look at you! Look up here, Grim. Look at you!
Even the squirrels in the next
What do you smell? What is that?
when the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Cat's reaction to us bringing home a new puppy.
Set. Where's my good girl?
If you love these cute moments, hit that like button. You'll even see a special cat icon pop up. Tell us in the comments which encounter.
The real reason behind the balding tail.
Pasok daw sa loob! Dali! Pasok daw sa loob!
When you're not sure if this is funny or a trap.
Jakey! Jakey! Jakey!
Animal community, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time for more.
If animals make you smile, don't forget to hit that like button.
Oh, Human, now I know people don't lie. Princesses are real.
When you're orange and emotions are hard.
If our pups didn't make your day, nothing will. Like and subscribe for more.
Yo, how long is this spider gonna last in the water? Oh my god, no!
He's got her eye.
The crows are dive bombing baby. Oh my god.
Guess who's not welcome in this yard?
Oh my god.
The best kind of workout partner? The one who never blinks.
Can we have that back, please? Mace. Oh no. Oh no. Drop it. Drop.
What?
Do you like it?
No, look at him. He looks like a monkey. It's supposed to be a bear.